2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 42,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.